Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Question number 3 and question number 4 will be question number 4 and 5 as the last ones. Question number 3 is what is the mass of 0.2 moles of ethanol? What is the mass of 0.2 moles of ethanol? This is the formula of ethanol. Therefore, the relative formula mass of this will be carbon has a mass of 12. There are 2 atoms of carbon. Therefore, 12 times 2 plus the mass of hydrogen is 1. These are 5 and we have 1. Therefore, the mass of hydrogen is now 1 times 6. We have 5 atoms of hydrogen and we have another one here. Therefore, the hydrogen atoms are 6 and therefore the mass of hydrogen in this compound will be 1 times 6 because there are 6 atoms. And this you earn the mass of oxygen, which is 16. This will be 24 plus 6 plus 16, which is 24 plus 6 is 30. Then 30 plus 16 is 46. Therefore, 46 is the relative formula mass. The relative formula mass. The relative formula mass of ethanol is 46. In our question, we are calculating the mass. What is the mass of 0.2 moles of ethanol? And you see that the mass is given by number of moles. You multiply by the molar mass. Molar mass and the RFM is just the same. Therefore, the number of moles are 0.2. You multiply by the molar mass, which is 46. Therefore, this will be 0.2 times 46. This will give you 9.2 grams. 9.2 grams. So 9.2 grams is a mass of 0.2 moles of ethanol. 9.2 grams is the mass of 0.2 moles of ethanol. That is how simple these questions are.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.